What's up, guys? It's your boy Marshmallow Beat here. And today, well, not today, tonight, I'm gonna do something. I'm doing an experiment with a bag of these bags of chips. We got Lay's, Doritos, and Doritos. I don't know why. But we're gonna put the bag of chips in my microwave. So I gotta empty these out. So we're gonna try, and we're gonna see what happens. So. See? Alright, it's empty. Let's go. There, you see him. Yo! Oh, fuck the guy. Oh, yo! It's true. It's like a tiny Lay's bag. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna let that cool off. Alright. Yo! Like, it's like a... Yo! Yo, it's like a tiny Lay's bag. That is dope. Alright, that's Gucci. Alright, it's time to put the next one in. Alright, let's go. Put that in there. Yo. That is dope. That's so dope. I'm scared to grab it. Oh, fuck, it's hot. Yo. Like, legit, you can still read the nutrition stuff on the back. That's so cool, though. That's dope. Alright. Now we're gonna do the Doritos. We're gonna do these ones. We're gonna do these ones just because we can. Alright, let's go. Just put those in there. And oh, yo, yo, ah, fuck, yo, ow, 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 motherfucker. Yo. It actually said you can still see the Doritos and the Doritos that are like right there. And then the Dorito sign, and you can see where, like, right there it says Cool Ranch. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh shit. Yo. Yo, look. You see, it still says Doritos. And then you see the Doritos. And then you see, like, you still see the. Oh my gosh. Bro. That is dope. Let's see if you can actually. Wait. I see 20 on here. That is dope. So, this is what happens if you put a Doritos bag in your microwave. It smells good. It smells like Doritos. And last but not least, this, the red Doritos. Yo. Oh, dude, that's dope. Oh, shit, it's hot. Oh. Yo. Shit stinks. Oh. You can't see, that is a freaking full bag of Doritos. Well, almost a full bag of Doritos. Like a full, small, like medium-sized bag of Doritos turns into this, and you put it in your microwave. If you put it in your microwave, this is what happens. like legit, you can still see everything. You can still see, well, this one you can't quite because it like disintegrated it. Well,